It is our Fordham University conference. It's our annual conference where we spotlight social work issues. And today our conference title is Social Work Across Cultures and the Lifespan, Making a Difference. This conference highlights the work of our children and family scholars. And these are scholars that have been committed to working in Westchester County and working in the field.
And children who have been through natural disaster.
Why is it going up? The numbers are going up every
At my current placement, I work with adolescents in the school system in Westchester County, and I'm finding that many of my adolescent clients, particularly girls, are presenting with depression symptoms, and the number's increasing every year. But only 20% of adolescents across the country ever seek help. So there's 80% of the population out there of kids who are just living with depression, and it's changing their lives for the worse, and I want to make a difference.
Because we're bringing together professionals and students, they get to learn from each other. And very often, professionals are doing some of the work on a day-to-day basis.
I'm here today to talk about a new program we believe at our department that most people really don't prepare for aging, and particularly in the area of caregiving. We know that most of us are either going to be a caregiver or we're going to need a caregiver. So it's important that people prepare themselves for caregiving.
In the social work school here at the Westchester campus, all the staff, when you ask them for guidance in terms of which direction you want to go, they say, well, what are you interested in? And they really want you to follow your dreams.